If your company pumps liquids or wet products through pipelines, then you'll know it's a highly competitive environment where growing demand means you need to produce more for less, but faster. Reducing waste and production downtime is the key to increasing margins. However, the pathway to do that is not always clear. Factors such as sustainability and lowering water consumption are probably high on your priority list. But what do you have in place that satisfies that and can produce an attractive ROI? And what do you do when you're at capacity and somehow have to produce more? If you don't address and solve these issues, it can lead to higher costs, lower profits, and make your business less competitive. At HPS, using proven technology, we provide our clients with solutions that work, with pigging being a speciality of ours. These solutions improve plant efficiency, increase profits, and help make your business more sustainable and competitive. Best of all, our fully managed implementation makes the process straightforward and stress-free, meaning you can focus on what's important to you. Click the link on screen now to learn more about how we can help businesses just like yours with a solution that often pays for itself within a matter of months. Click the link now, and thanks for watching.